Here we're looking at BBDA. I think the last time I did it was a few weeks ago, and haven't gone to it yet just because it really hasn't done much. But now it's getting to kind of an area where I think a update would be justified. First off, the price, just to be honest and blunt, it's seen better days, but at the same time, it's not like the chart totally looks bad. There is still hope for it, but if there's going to be a move, needs to happen here pretty quick. And the reason I say that is, and this is going to be pretty much what the whole chart is based off of, but this purple line here is a 50-day simple moving average, and you can see here back in, what was this date, right here in on June 15th, looks like the first time that in a long while that the price was able to get above this. And then ever since then, you can see that it's been just rock solid in terms of support. In fact, right here you can see that the price actually bounced right off of it. But so with that in mind, you can see now that here was the first day where the price closed below it, but the bulls, had a nice recovery. But now we have another day that was below it. Today, though, a nice little doji candle. So the point being, this is the first time where we've actually seen the price, hang around this area. Up until now, the price had never even tested it until this day right here. But now, not only is the price testing it, it's actually below it at this point. But it's not like it separated itself from it. That's why I still say that there is still hope. But on that same note, it needs to get moving here and get back up above it ASAP. Or else this is going to start to flatten out, and we don't want to see that the overall trend start to go neutral on us. It's been in a bullish uptrend for so long that, for the people that are in it, I'm sure they don't want to see that end either. But that is where the chart, currently is, and what it's kind of revolving around is how's it going to continue to act around this 50-day simple moving average. Now, if it does pull back a little bit more, there is a support level right here that has been tested a couple of times at 0.0073. You can see right here it was tested, and then a few weeks ago right here it was tested again. So this is going to be another area of support, or really the first area, because technically the 50-day is a level of resistance right now, but I'm still considering it a support since it hasn't separated. But if a break of 0.0073, or let's see, what is this actually? So this low was 0.0073, this was 0.0075. So we'll call it 0.0074. We'll just split the difference. So if 0.0074 does not hold, then unfortunately the next area of support is going to be, and the reason I pause there is we have a high over here of 0.0039, and this low was at 0.0045. So again, if we wanted to split the difference, we'll call it 0.0038 would then be the next area of support, which is a pretty far ways down. So that's why I keep harping on the fact that the price really needs to start to head back up, because the support levels, if this one holds, unfortunately, because of this move up, there's going to be big gaps between support levels. So best case and ideal situation is that this 0.0074 area holds, or better yet, doesn't even get tested and the price starts to head back up. As far as resistances go, the key one hit now is just simply this trend line that's formed from that peak. You can see now that it is sloping downwards and hasn't even really been tested, but every time it does get relatively close, like you can see on multiple days here, the price can't quite get above it. So that'll be the key level of resistance. So that's where the chart currently stands. Hopefully this 50 or the price can get above there as soon as possible. If not, 0.0074 is a level you really want to see and need to see hold. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alert, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening.